Hey guys, what is up? It is knockerz, finally back with another video. And it's been a minute. It's been a while since I last made a YouTube video. I just took a nice break to really focus on college, stuff like that. But I am back. With this being my first video back, I got a sneaker to show you guys to add to my collection, and I'm really stoked about it. I really love them a lot. So without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. So today I ended up getting the Nike Dunk Low Chicago Emb 75th anniversaries. Take a look at these. So, such a beautiful sneaker. The color blocking, could never go wrong with a Chicago colorway, in my opinion. And I believe in September of 2020, definitely correct me if I'm wrong, we got an SB Dunk of the Chicago, the J pack. And these were really solid. I really like those a lot too, but a little bit out of my price range, not gonna lie. It's like $450, $500 for a pair of those. These recently restocked. I ended up getting a grade school size, which was a big risk for me because I normally wear a woman's 9, and these are about an 8.5 in women's if you convert the sizes. But the quality on these are so nice. I love the color blocking. I mean, like I said, you can never go wrong with a Chicago colorway. Can never go wrong. It pays homage to, you know, Jordan's amazing colorway of the Chicagos and just the GOAT himself. So let's just take a look at some of the details of this sneaker. So obviously in the toe box, you have that chili red, nice vibrant color. And because this is a grade school shoe, you not only get that nubuck leather on the check, but you also get it on the heel as well. So I really like that. The men's sizing in these, you don't actually get that. So nice black colorway in the heel tab. You got the Nike in the red chili color right there. On the tongue, you just have that 75th anniversary tongue for the NBA. You have a cool diamond right here. Again, I believe that this is because it's for the 75th anniversary of the NBA. This shoe is just so freaking nice. Like, I love it so much, and what a better way to hop back into sneakers than going with just a nice Chicago colorway in a dunk. And right now, I think that these are a little bit slept on. I believe that, quite honestly, a 7Y, let's check real quick on StockX. So right now on StockX, in the grade school sizing, if you wanted to buy a 7Y, it's going for about $128. I mean, you probably ended up paying around, with fees and stuff, you'd probably end up paying around $150, but how can you pass up a nice Chicago colorway for $150? I mean, you'd just be crazy. I mean, I didn't. I ended up getting these from a sneaker reseller on Instagram. His name is Zeke Resells. Definitely check him out. He got shipping to me in like 2 days. It was crazy fast. Yeah, I'm just super excited for this new chapter. Again, what better way to hop into the sneaker game again than to go with the Chicago colorway in a dunk. I can't complain. Yeah, I think things are going to look a little bit different. I definitely want to make my channel more of sneaker reviews and information rather than just reselling, I think. I got a little caught up last time that I was in the sneaker culture and stuff like that. So I think that this time around, I really want to focus on just giving as much information as I can, working on what I like and what I like to collect, not focusing on the hype and what other people find to be appealing to them. I want to focus on what I like and what I like to wear and rock and show it for you guys. Again, I want to have a ton of informational videos about upcoming sneakers because this month of March is absolutely insane, let me tell you. I'm looking to maybe do some live streams and stuff like that in the future, so definitely stick around for that. As always, check out my Instagram page at knockerz. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm very excited for this new chapter, and I will see you guys soon.